What's up, y'all? So, today is the day that Randy car goes in for paint. Actually, I'm lying. Today is Monday. Today's the day that we get this car actually from here to there. And then Thursday is the day I think Randy takes the car in for paint. Not too sure. All right, Randy, take the car in for paint Thursday? Yeah. Hey, that's a nice shirt you got on, fam.
I found this shit. I'm like, you know, I'm gonna work on cars today.
Keep the shirt up. Sounds good to me. Alright, so his shit is done and out the garage for the first time in 3 years. That's insane. Today is Thursday! Today's the day that we fix Randy's car. Well, we're taking it. I don't know if we're gonna take it in for paint today. I have no idea. I hope so.
My nigga.
Hey, that boy came in a big body. So yeah, Randy's house. Randy gotta get a manifold bolt for his turbo. Well, yeah, obviously. What if it's, oh god damn. Something's gotta hold on me. I can't let go. I think get money at Lowe's because Lowe's got the cheapest hose. Bars. P Dollar's gonna make a comeback. Fucking dumbass. Randy got to get a bolt for his turbo manifold, like I said before. So we took it off. Well, he took it off. Now we're here to just match it, see if we can find something. Our local speed and truck roll, they're closed, so see if we can get it here and see what's poppin'. Hey, my Jew. You look like a turd.
Yeah.
Oh shit. I'm dumb. Back home from Lowe's. Randy picked up 2 bolts. M10 by 1.5. Now let's see if these skunks work. That's what I say. I say skunks work, bro. Randy, you look like a snowman, dog.
Yeah, right?
Facts, bro. He got half the boat in.
Half most of the bolt.
Okay, so he got 75% of the boat in. That's
90%, bitch.
Hey, you gonna stop disrespecting me on my...
You gonna stop disrespecting my car.
Fuck your car, this is trash. That's garbage.
This shit's all blowing up.
Hey, bro, no need to go...
Stop jinxing my shit. My shit blow up tomorrow.
Yeah, your shit trash.
Shit on all you
Yo, oil leak free ass car. Did the boat work? Find out next. Money shifting?
Nope, I don't money shift.
I don't know about all that.
I'm having an issue with it. Electrical.
With what?
It's doing the same shit it did to me that day.
It bogged? It won't go.
My electrical. Look at my thing. It did the same thing. So my volt's probably low. 10 volts. Nope, that's not voltage.
Oh yeah, I see it. You know what this calls for, Randy? Wait for it. Randy built. Randy built. So for this part of the video, company reached out to me, Tredwear, with some headlights for Randy because, well, Randy can't get caught lacking in these streets with no headlights. So he has some HIDs now. We're gonna upgrade those to some C9 LEDs from God. What happened there, bro? So we're gonna be installing these today. These are also waterproof and got longer life than those bunk ass things. You look like a baby. We got Ma in the building. He supposed to do the dance. Next year? Damn, he was racing too.
That's why he stopped by. He felt guilty. So he's like, I'm gonna stop by.
So we're gonna install some LEDs on Randy's car today. So we already got this one removed because it's already burnt out, as you guys can see. Well, hopefully you can see it's already burnt out. That one's still good, but why not use what we got? So we're going from this to this. Simple plug and play action. And it got a fan on the back to keep it cool. Basic step is you just plug it in. That's all you do in install headlights. Well, LEDs.
Bro, just go, bro. Right now, hurry up. Oh, don't do it. Yeah. Oh my God.
Just like that. That's all you gotta do, really. And now we just turn it on and see. Damn. LED, HID. This is at 6,000 and this is an 8K bulb. You can see the difference in light. All right, Randy's done. Let's see. God.
Yeah, these are bright for real.
They are bright.
Yeah, they were hell better.
Hey, Randy said something nice. Wow, how does it feel, bro? You feel like a good person today? We'll go for a ride and like I show the people the like how broad in the view is. They are pretty bright though. My car is blue. I swear it's blue. Let's put them to the test now. Man, that is bright.
Is it brighter than my HID? I like the fact how fast they come on.
Yeah, cause LED it's right there, yeah. Cool thing about it too, they are also waterproof. So I don't know what the hell you're gonna be, you know, if you go grave digging and mudding with the Civic, just know that they waterproof, fam. Went on a darker street with minimal to no lights, aside from this car. But you guys can definitely see it bright.
It's bright.
Yeah. Much brighter than what it was before.
I say people get this shit.
Treat ding, okay, it came clutch.
Not bad, let's see how long it lasts.
Yeah, now we're gonna see how long it lasts. Pretty damn bright. My camera, I don't know if my camera's doing it justice, but
it's bright.
It's pretty bright, yeah. Yo, just got back home from Randy's house, and yo, the headlights are actually really dope. Like, I wasn't expecting how bright they were, but they're really kind of brighter than my aux beams, and I've been rocking aux beams for a long time, so hey, bro, it is what it is. Now look, when I do these type of, you know, sponsored partnership / videos, you know your boy gotta come clutch for y'all, so hey. So without further ado, yeah, let's do a giveaway. You could have your very own set of headlights. Oh, not just you. Hold on, pimpin'. 2 of you can have your own set of headlights, pimpin'. Hold on. That's it? No, you know that ain't it, fam. Oh, 3 of y'all can have your own headlights, fam. That's how I'm rocking. That's how your boy rocking. Now, to enter this giveaway is pretty simple. Really simple. But all you have to do is send me a DM on Instagram of your vehicle and why you want the headlights. That's all you have to do. As long as your headlight size is H4 and H11, send me a DM with the picture of your car and why you want the headlights. It could be a joke. I don't know. Just send me something. Let's interact. And I want to give you guys some headlights. Sound good? Dope. Oh, and guess what, fam? The headlights are waterproof. You know what I'm saying? If you want to go mudding, you got your girl in the engine bay. Look, son, they waterproof. So don't even worry about getting water, all that. They proof, son. They waterproof. Hey. And guess what? They long lasting, son. They last long. Like your boy. Now, if you don't want to enter the giveaway and you want to pick up a set of LEDs yourself, all you have to do is click the first link down in the description box. All you gotta do, fam. But that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you did enjoy the video, you want to get you some lotion, right? Sit next to your computer and what you want to do is I was gonna say something else, but nah. Smack that like button for people, that'd be greatly appreciated. Thank you guys for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one, which will be tomorrow. Daily uploads. Daily up. I don't know, I'm lying. I ain't catch you guys. I catch you guys probably in 3 days or something. I don't know, I'll be tripping. You know what I'm saying? Hey, but hey, stay tuned, because I'll be posting every day. Even though y'all don't see the videos, I post every day. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys next one. I'm out. Peace.